Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
First, download Newpipe from the official F-Droid repository and install the APK on your device. Open the app and accept only the permissions you need. Grant storage permission so downloads work reliably and background play functions correctly. In Settings, set the default video quality to 720p and audio quality to 128 kbps to save data. Enable background play to keep audio running when you switch apps. Disable optional trackers for privacy before you continue. Use the search bar at the top to find videos, channels, or playlists by typing keywords. Filter results using the built-in options to show only channels or only audio. Tap a search result to open the player and use the three dots menu for more actions. From the three dots, you can subscribe to a channel, copy the video URL, or open externally. To save bandwidth, switch to audio-only mode or enable background playback in the player controls. To download, tap the download icon on any video and pick a format such as 720p video or 128 kbps audio. Choose a destination folder and confirm the download to start immediately. Manage multiple downloads from the notification area and pause or cancel as needed. Create playlists by adding videos and reorder them manually or by date for organized listening. Keep privacy strong by
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.